Arts. Arts is an inevitable part of curriculum. Gurukulam has considered arts as its passion. Students have stolen limelight in various stages. Asia's biggest event is Kerala State School Kalolsavam. It was a big dream of each and every student of our school to touch the cup of best school. From the very beginning, to face such a remarkable moment, remarkable achievements started flowing from sub-district competitions itself. The thrilling winning moments were sponsored by the promising students of our school. Muhsin Kasim, 4th standard, secured first A grade in pencil drawing. Ananya SN, 4th standard, secured first A grade in mono act. Devika Shashi, 3rd standard, secured first A grade in folk dance. Adira P, 4th standard, secured first A grade in Bharatanatyam. Faisa Faisal, 3rd standard, secured first A grade in Mapilapata. Anjali G, 4th standard, secured second A grade in watercolor. Gayatri Suraj, 3rd standard, secured second A grade in Malayalam recitation. Our second standard blooming bud, Archana M, secured second A grade in Kada Kadanam. The exclusive item of Gurukulam, group dance of LP level, has put its maximum efforts to hold the second position with A grade. In group song, our LP kids have laid their foot with second A grade. Thus, the work of LP students to lead the chariot of cup started by getting aggregate first in LP section in the sub-district competitions. Next comes the tremendous UP section. Our students are the aggregate winners in sub-district and march towards district. Again, all the aggregate winners and proved they are the best. To this success, who pulled the rope are the group dance and Vande Mataram with second A grade in the district. Vismaya K of 6th standard is the mono act winner with second A grade in the district. Amrit KN of 7th standard is the district first A grade winner in English recitation, Sanskrit drama and Sanskrit group song. Kirtana Ravi of 7th standard is again the district winner with first A grade in Sanskrit recitation and Sanskrit group song. Abarna of 7th standard secured first A grade in light music in the district competition. The beautiful and classical item of Sanskrit is Sanskrit drama, where our UP students outshone others getting first A grade in the district. UP Sanskrit group song, which won the hearts of judges, took its amazing first A grade position. All this led the UP section to the first aggregate winners in sub-district and district in the school Kalolsavam, and in Sanskrit Kalolsavam, aggregate winners in sub-district and second aggregate winners in district. Now it is from the part of high school who gave the miraculous and magical touch of winning. Sariga Sajit of 10th standard, who takes the honor and privilege of appreciation by holding the most revered position of state first A grade in the individual item. Hindi speech. Added to this, she proved herself even in Hindi Kavita Rajana and Sanskrit essay writing with A grade in state Kalolsavam. First time in the history of Gurukulam, an individual item getting first A grade. Sariga Sajit, she did it. Biju Salin of 9th standard, a silent winner, has proved himself to be a born violinist by holding once again the second A grade position in the state. Even in Ganamela and orchestra, he has shown his talents to get A grade in state Kalolsavam. Archana T of 8th standard has shown her abilities in patriotic song Mapalapat by securing A grade in the state Kalolsavam. Alif PK and Gogul G of 10th standard has won B grade in Malayalam essay writing and pencil drawing respectively in the state Kalolsavam. In state high school Malayalam drama, our students got second A grade, making audience thoroughly enjoy, and they became the strong pillars who laid the platform for the new venture. Best actress ever to Gurukulam in the state was snatched over by no looking back, Anslin M. Saju of 10th standard, through this drama, Uddanda Puranam. This is also a very big achievement for Gurukulam as well as Anslin M. Saju. The crown, the soul, the prestige, the pride of Gurukulam is nothing other than group dance, which is a sure item to state. This year, high school and higher secondary students tremendously proved and rocked the stage with fabulous and magnificent performance by winning second and third A grade in the state Kalolsom, which was reported as air dance by the medias. Our school wrote its name in golden letters for the first time in the state Sanskrit Kalolsom. Sundar Das of 10th standard made it prove by getting third A grade in Gana Labanam, Ashtapadi and Kathakali Sangeetam in general item. Sandeep Ramesh of 12th standard came out with attractive second A grade in mono act, along with third A grade in Purakali and A grade in English recitation and Vatapata. Sharath KR of 12th standard has again taken up A grade in state folk dance competition. Akshaya Das made a credible third A grade in higher secondary section in state with Hindi speech, A grade in violin and B grade in orchestra. In state mono act, Sri Lakshmi of 11th standard, in state Hindi recitation, Nitya Suresh of 11th standard secured A grades. Higher secondary made its prominence in Malayalam drama, in which the students really burned their energy to portray the society and secured the miraculous third A grade with their unstinted efforts in the drama The Mask. Purakali, the vigor and tigger of Gurukulam boys, made it stand upright in the state with victorious third A grade in higher secondary and dignified A grade in high school with our energetic boys. Heart-throbbing Kolkali was undeniable need of Gurukulam, and it came true by getting A grade in state for the very first time by our smart teens of high school and higher secondary. Opener girls of higher secondary vibrated the stage with their ridiculous performance and achieved A grade, and high school section participated in the state Kalolsavam. Marvelous, meritorious mime took its charge and executed a smart performance which helped them to sweep out A grade in state Kalolsavam. Orchestra HS and HSS section, Ganamela HS section, Vatapat HS and HSS section, Parijamut HS section, Yakshaganam HS section, Patriotic Song and Sanskrit Drama has secured grades in the state Kalolsavam. Gobiga G of 9th standard, Maya Kunat and Vani S. Satyan of 10th standard and Seetu S. from 12th standard participated in Mohiniyattam, English recitation, Kathaprasangam and Bharatanatyam respectively in state Kalolsavam. As we take pride in how far we have come and have faith in how far we have to go, we are honored to say big goals get big results. It was how which gave us the thrilling first position in the Asia's biggest cultural event, the Kerala State School Kalolsavam, the Best School Award for Gurukulam, which changed the face of Alathur.
Gurukulam, Gurukulam, BSS Gurukulam, 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 oh, oh, oh. We are to win, we have to win, and we are winners in this universe. The lamb will always play. I know lamb with you play. Gurukulam, 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 oh. Dandandare dandare dare dandane nane nane dandane nane nane na. Dandandare dandare dare dandane nane nane dandane nane 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 nane. We are the bright light. We have the heat of passion. We are the object of love. We are the object of love. Whoa, 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 We are the smart, we are the smart, we are the gems of this old lamp. We are the smart, we are the smart, we are the gems of this old lamp.